Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take a little time today to talk about getting back to work, getting back to school, getting back to the gym, the restaurants, the salons, any place where people have, the public got to go back into, get back to some type of our normal lifestyles again. We've been supplying school boards right across Ontario and Canada with air purification systems. The dentists, medical facilities, laser hair removal facilities, karate schools, gymnasiums, fitness clubs, and the list goes on and on. Restaurants, it just goes on and on here. And I think it's become more of a comfort level to protect the people that are coming into your facility, but also protecting you and your staff. We talk about air purification, implementing it. I really think at the end of the day, implementing air purification system in any one of the facilities is going to give some type of a comfort level. We talk about COVID, we talk about the flu, we talk about the common cold and stuff like that. You're going to protect yourself, your loved ones, and your guests coming to your facility. We have several applications, several different air purification systems. This is our PD900C unit, floor model unit, our PD900P. We have several units that will fit into your application, work for your environment, protect you, your staff, and your guests and your loved ones, and your homes and your business. Let's get a comfort level going back out there. Let's protect people out there. We're talking about the vaccines out there. That's one aspect of protecting people, keeping people safe. Try to get on with life again. Let's also talk about implementing air purification, HEPA filtration in the schools as well too, getting kids back to school, the university, the colleges, any place where there's going to be public gatherings as well. Okay, so hopefully this is going to help you here. We can be reached at purdistribution.com. That's purdistribution.com anytime here. We're going to answer your questions. Send us off an email, whatever we can do to help out the situation here and make you feel comfortable and protect you from viruses, bacteria, and just everyday air particles that are in the air. People that think they're making people sick out there, okay? Protect you and your loved ones.